What's the meaning of bleary-eyed? Bleary-eyed. Bleary-eyed.
Bleary-eyed. Bleary-eyed. Bleary-eyed is an adjective used to describe someone who has tired or blurred eyes due to sleepiness, fatigue, or a lack of rest. The term is commonly used to describe individuals who have stayed up late at night studying, working, or engaging in other activities that require intense concentration. When someone is bleary-eyed, their eyes may appear bloodshot, droopy, and unfocused, which can affect their overall appearance and mood. This condition is often temporary and can be remedied by getting enough sleep and rest. However, long-term sleep deprivation can lead to more serious health problems, including impaired cognitive function and weakened immune system.